All right, let's head over to the computer display and have a look what a proper travel itinerary looks like. I'll walk you through the key elements that make planning your trip easy and enjoyable. Let's dive in. So welcome to the computer display. So this is the travel itinerary for Greece. So this is how you can prepare your own travel itinerary, and if you need a soft copy, leave me a message with your email address. I will forward it to you. So I'm planning for 10 days and 9 nights in Athens. So here you have to give the traveler's bio, first name, last name, email address, telephone number, passport number, and the country of residence. I'm in United Arab Emirates, so I've written that. You can write wherever you're living. And traveling to Greece, and mode of transport is by air. You have to mention all of that, and then here comes the flight details. You have to give your flight details here, the airline you are traveling, the city you are flying from, and the time and the date. You have to mention it here, and you have to give in all the details and the city and the country of arrival and the date and time of arrival. So all that you have to mention in this area. And then you have to give the details of your hotel booking, the date, the name of the hotel, the address of the hotel, and check in and check out, all that things you have to mention here, and even the contact number of the hotel also should be there. And then, as I told you, that you have to break down your travel activities in days. So every day you have to give the details. So on 29th of November 2024, it will be the check-in into the hotel and stroll around Palaka neighborhood. On 30th of November, I will start visiting the areas around, visit the Acropolis and Pantheon, explore Acropolis Museum, and walk through ancient Agora and see the temple of Hephaestus. And on 1st of December, there are all the things which I am planning to do. All those things are mentioned, daily basis. So you have to keep one thing in your mind, that you have to make a realistic and achievable travel plan. The destination which you are trying to visit daily, they should be close to each other and they should be achievable. So these are the activities for 10 days in Athens. And then in the end, you have to give your return flight details, departure city and country, Athens, date, time, you have to mention that, and the name of the airline and the flight details. And you are going to Dubai, I'm coming back to Dubai, so all that things you have to mention. So this is how a travel itinerary looks like. If you need a soft copy, so you can call me or you can leave a comment with your email address and I will forward it to you. And that's my travel itinerary for Greece. I hope it helps you plan your next adventure. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your travel plans or any questions. Happy travels. I'll see you in the next one.